Welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you the incredible process behind gold manufacturing. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.
For thousands of years, gold has been the most sought-after treasure in human history. It has served as the foundation for empires, kings, and even wars. However, a new form of gold has emerged: Bitcoin. It cannot be touched, seen, or weighed like gold. One is melted, forged in secrecy, and born in fire. Inside machinery that hum louder than jet engines, the other is born in stillness. What is the true secret? Very few individuals will ever see the extreme and covert process of their creation. Number 10. Cosmic birth. Gold didn't form naturally on Earth. It was created in cataclysmic supernova explosions billions of years ago. The atoms of gold you hold in your hand were literally born in the heart of dead stars. In contrast, Bitcoin was created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, who vanished without a trace. Both origins are mysterious, but while gold's story is written in the cosmos, Bitcoin's story is written in code. Scarcity is their shared value, but the journey from birth to possession is nothing short of mind-blowing. Number 9. Deadly gold mining. To extract just 1 ounce of gold, miners must process nearly 30 tons of rock, enduring deadly conditions underground. Mines are hot, dark, and unstable. Rock collapses, gases accumulate, and temperatures can reach 55 degrees Celsius. Explosives are detonated to break apart rock, while chemicals like cyanide separate gold particles from the debris. Often, miners spend months digging and find barely a few grams. Every ounce of gold comes at a massive cost, both in human effort and danger. The brutal truth: mining gold is as much about survival as it is about wealth. Number 8. Silent Bitcoin factories. Bitcoin mining looks nothing like gold mining, but it's just as intense. Inside massive warehouses, thousands of ASIC machines run 24/7. Each were solving trillions of calculations per second. The machines heat the rooms like jet engines and scream above 100 decibels. Miners are engaged in a constant race against time. Solve the cryptographic puzzle first and earn the block reward. The electricity consumption is staggering. Bitcoin's network consumes more energy than entire countries like Austria and Portugal combined. Every second machines run is money being forged in silence. Number 7. The 1064 degrees Celsius purification ritual. Raw gold that comes from the earth is far from shiny. It's dirt, rock, and molten sludge. To purify it, refineries melt gold in massive furnaces at 1064 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. As the gold melts, impurities rise to the top and are carefully skimmed off. The molten gold is remelted 3 to 5 times, each time reaching perfection. A single mistake can ruin millions of dollars worth of metal. This extreme process is why gold reaches 99.99% purity, known as 4 nines fine, and earns its status as the most trusted form of wealth on the planet. Number 6. The blockchain trial. Bitcoin doesn't need fire, it is purified through mathematical rigor. Every transaction on the blockchain is checked, verified, and cross-referenced by thousands of nodes worldwide. Any invalid or fraudulent transaction is immediately rejected. This digital trial by fire ensures that no fake Bitcoin can ever exist. Unlike gold, whose purity relies on chemistry, Bitcoin's purity relies entirely on cryptography. It's invisible, but every coin is protected by an unbreakable digital law that constantly tests its legitimacy. Number 5. The birth of a gold bar. Once gold reaches its final molten form, it is poured into molds to become bars. In seconds, the glowing river of gold solidifies into a solid, tangible treasure. Each bar is then meticulously stamped with a serial number, weight, and refinery seal. Some bars are worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. The process is ceremonial and highly guarded. A gold bar represents not just wealth, but human ingenuity, risk, and survival. These bars are ready to be stored in the world's most secure vaults, waiting for the next hand to claim them. Number 4, Bitcoin's digital birth moment. A new Bitcoin is born when a miner solves a block on the blockchain. Today, this reward is 3.125 Bitcoin, but it halves every 4 years, creating a system of increasing scarcity. Miners pour enormous computational power and electricity into the race, competing against hundreds of thousands of others worldwide. The first to solve the puzzle earns the Bitcoin, the rest lose, sometimes spending thousands of dollars in electricity without gaining a single coin. The birth of each Bitcoin is a high-stakes moment of triumph or failure, entirely digital, yet as real as a gold bar in value. Number 3, the vaults that never sleep. Gold bars are stored in underground vaults guarded by armed security, biometric scanners, motion detectors, and steel doors thick enough to stop bullets. Some vaults are so deep that GPS signals vanish inside. They hold billions of dollars in gold, and a breach would be catastrophic. Every bar is tracked by serial number, every movement logged. Gold is physical, but the security measures make it almost untouchable, a fortress of wealth. Number 2, Bitcoin's invisible vault. Bitcoin doesn't need walls or guards. It lives in cold wallets, small, offline devices, secured with encrypted keys. A single key controls millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Lose it, and the currency is gone forever. No one can recover it, not banks, not governments. While gold can be physically stolen, Bitcoin can disappear into digital oblivion in an instant. The invisible vaults of Bitcoin are perhaps the most secure and yet the most fragile storage systems in the world. Number 1, transporting wealth. 2 dangers. Transporting gold is a logistical nightmare. Armored trucks, military escorts, secret routes, and decoy vehicles are necessary to prevent theft. One heist can cost millions. Bitcoin, on the other hand, moves across the world instantly with zero physical risk. But a single mistake, a wrong address, a phishing attack can wipe out millions in seconds. Gold is dangerous in motion. Bitcoin is dangerous in error. Both forms of wealth are fragile in their own ways, yet immensely valuable. Gold is forged by fire. Bitcoin is forged by code. The battle for wealth has never been hotter. And the next chapter is just beginning. If you want to uncover more secrets like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next.